Hello everyone. Today I am going to discuss a new topic that is relevant for AHS secondary students from Assam Higher Secondary Education Council and class 12 students from CBSE. This topic comes under composition part which carries 5 marks in exam. It is notice writing. So, please watch my video, subscribe my channel, like and share. Thank you. First, we should know what is a notice. A notice is a written statement that gives information, instruction and warning. Then, look at the next part, purpose and availability of notice. To announce or display information to be pinned up on a specific display board in schools, colleges, institutions, offices, organizations, public places, newspapers, and nowadays made available through electronic digital media, electronic mails, social media, WhatsApp groups, and so on. With this, I will move to tell you about writing techniques. In what way we have to write a good notice. First, to be presented inside a box. What is the box? I will be giving you after a while. Then, use of passive voice. We should always use passive voice while writing a notice. Thirdly, word limit should be 50 words. We should not exceed it. Information in a notice to be given clearly. Avoid confusion and don't create misunderstanding. Language should be catchy and appealing. And finally, grammatically accurate sentences should be used in the notice. Let's move ahead to the format of notice writing. There is a particular format to follow while we write our notice and important points to include in our notice. Without including these points, the notice will be incomplete. So, please have a look carefully. First, agenda or purpose of the notice, or you can say subject of the notice. Date, when. So, suppose we are going to organize an event. The date of the event must be mentioned clearly. Time, at what time we are going to start the program. Venue, where we are going to organize that program, place of the program. Target group, who are the people invited or the audience. Specific instructions, if any. And then finally contact person with the designation. And now I will talk about the box I was mentioning. This is the full format of the box. Inside this box we have to write our notice. So things to include in the notice. So first, margins from 3 sides, margin, top margin and right margin. Keep the bottom part open. And things to include inside the box. Name of the school or college at the top. In the middle of the box, notice, the word notice, and subject. These 3 parts will come in the middle part. These 3 will come in the middle of the box. Date at the left side of the margin. Body or content of the notice. But from the left margin to the right. We need not start with any paragraph. So start from left to right and continue till it ends. And with the signature or name of the person who is giving the notice, designation, and then we will close the box drawing the bottom line. So now with all these ideas about how to write a notice, let's move to a practical example where I will be showing you the notice I have prepared for you. In this video I will be giving you 3 sample notices, and the first sample notice I will explain in detail. So this is the first sample notice, and the question is, are Akash? So if you are a boy, you will use Akash. If you are a girl, you will use the name Ankita. General Secretary of City College to organize college annual function and has invited a reputed person as the chief guest. Write a notice suitable for your college notice board, giving important details within 50 words, asking interested students to submit names for various performances. So, this is the question of which I will give you the answer. Please, this is the answer I am giving you. You can write it in your copies so that it will help you in the future. So this is inside the box I have presented the notice and read it out line by line. First, the school or college city or if you can remember, then notice. Here, handwriting, you write these things, subject college annual function and date of the event. Okay, I have used here 12th May and you use your date according to your convenience when you will be writing the notice. Check here, I have started from this notice. This is for general information of all the students of City College. I have put an oblique here. So you can start your notice in this manner, or it is hereby informed or notified to all the students of City College. Or you can start this sentence also. Both are correct. You can use either of these. Our college is going to organize the college annual function. This is on 15 June 2020. When? Date of the event. So keep in mind the date of the notice. Okay, there must be a gap of 7 or 10 days. The date of the event. At 11 a.m. time of the event in the college auditorium, where venue of the program. So all these points must be included and mentioned clearly. You cannot skip any one of them. Mr. P.K. Boa, eminent social activist and senior journalist, will grace the occasion as the chief guest. If you remember your question, there was a mention of inviting a reputed person as chief guest. I have used imaginary name here. You can use real name also. It's up to your choice. Doesn't matter. Interested are requested to submit their names for various performances like singing, dancing, recitation, etc. The general secretary. I have put another only here. You can write the designation of the person who is directly, or you can use to the undersigned. Undersigned means the signature of the person below the notice. Signed. So, either the designation or either the undersigned on or before 10th June 2020. So, give this date of submission prior to the main event and finish it. Finally, put your signature. Write Akash, General Secretary if you are a boy, like Ankita, General Secretary if you are a girl, and close the box. You have got a fair idea how to write a notice, and it will definitely help you in your exam. I am giving 2 more sample notices out. You can look at the video and write it on in your copies. The subject of the second notice is write-ups for college magazine. So, the writings inside the notice will vary from topic to topic, as you can see. And the third notice, the subject of the third notice is educational trip to historical place, and we have to write accordingly what things should be included while you will write a notice on educational trip. So that's all for today. I have given some questions to practice also, as you can see in the video. Please try to practice it at your home. And with this, I will conclude today. I have, in very simple language, taught you the basics of notice, availability and purpose of the notice, writing techniques, format of notice writing, format of the notice box, and I have given you 3 sample notices. Hope this video will help you to learn. I will be back with a new topic again. Till then, take care and bye. Please subscribe my channel, like and share my video.